Huawei launched its new Enjoy series phone in China called Huawei Enjoy 70X, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Huawei Enjoy 70X features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen is protected by aluminosilicate glass on the top. Under the hood, the company haven't mentioned the processor of this device, but it is believed to be in-house Kirin 8000 A 5G chipset. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 128, 256, or 512 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Huawei Enjoy 70X 5G sports a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top center that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.9 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under pill-shape hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos. The device comes equipped by a massive 6100 mAh battery with 40 watts fast charging support, and it runs on HarmonyOS 4.2 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164 by 74.88 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 189 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Huawei Enjoy 70X has been priced in China for 128GB storage variant at 1,799 Chinese yuan, while the 256GB storage model is priced at 1,999 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 512GB storage option is priced at 2,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in lake blue, golden black, snow white, and spruce green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Enjoy 70X smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.